Yes, sir.
Okay. Suresh, introduce yourself.
Sir, as you know, my name is Suresh Teli. I am from Rajsamand, Rajasthan.
Hmm.
I have done my schooling from Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Rajsamand, with aggregate 76% in 2014. I have done my college from Rajasthan Technical University, Kota, with an aggregate of 70% in 2018. I have 3-year working experience as an site engineer with BNRJ Build Group in Udaipur. And now I am doing internship with Unique Civil.
Okay. Suresh, you started your schooling from Navodaya from class 6?
Yes, sir.
Class 6 to
Navodaya Vidyalaya.
class 6 to called class 12, right?
Yes, sir. Sorry,
Class
sir.
from class 6 to class 12.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Any good memories you want to share from this school?
Sir, there are hostels. So we all boys hostel are different and girls hostel are different. It
Hmm.
is obviously, but sir, in boys hostels um, in our mess they have provided our proper food, but we but we make food in hostels in night after dinner, and
Okay.
they are so funny.
Means you don't like the food of what you provide when Navodaya, right?
No, sir, like, but we self create this
Okay.
food.
Okay.
So,
Okay.
sir, oh, exciting and this
Okay. You just
different.
want to like make by yourself. That's it.
Yes,
Right? Yeah, of course. Okay. And Suresh, what's your
yes,
strength?
sir. I am a hardworking person and I am responsible person.
Okay. Do you have any experience?
Experience related.
Job experience.
Yes, sir. I have a 3-year job experience in BNRJ Build Group as a construction company
Okay. What
as a
was your
site engineer.
what was your job responsibilities there?
There, sir, जैसे बार बेंडिंग शेड्यूलिंग करना एंड साइट विजिट वर्क ड्रोन वर्क डन एज पर ड्राइंग this
What is the benefits of BBS?
benefits of BBS are if we do BBS, then by BBS we provide cutting length of bars reinforcement, and by this wastage of reinforcement minimized by this.
Okay. Suresh, why should I hire you?
Because I have skills in AutoCAD, and I have done 3+ projects in AutoCAD during my internship period. Now I am doing internship with Unique Civil, so I have done 3 projects in this time.
What is the use of layers?
Well, we we draw, uh, we can drawing AutoCAD. Sorry, sir. We can drawing in AutoCAD. Then during same time we show different objects for layers.
Okay. We use purge command in AutoCAD. What is the use of purge command?
For commands, don't know.
Okay. What is the use of overlap command?
Overlap or overkill.
Overlap. Yeah, overkill. That is both. Both are same. Overkill.
Or if overlap line remove, then use overkill command.
Okay. What's your weakness, Suresh?
Weakness, sir, I
Are you introvert or extrovert?
extrovert.
Extrovert. Okay. What's your biggest achievement, Suresh?
Sir, after college, I joined BNRG build group company for construction. But sir, in 3 years of experience, uh, I don't I don't get motive of my career. But sir, after this, I joined Unique Civil as an internship. Then um, I find out my career motive. So
Very
this
good.
is,
Nice. Okay, so why you want to become structure engineer?
sir, after college I joined as a site engineer in a construction company. I see the different type of drawings, architectural drawing and structural drawings. Then I thought how to structure engineers draw, how to structure engineer design this type of structures and buildings and like round shape slabs and spiral stairs in RCC. So sir, after that thought I learn about these by books reading or YouTube videos. Then slowly, sir, I interested in structural engineering.
Oh,
So finally, I decide to.
okay, nice meeting with interview with you, Suresh. You have a good in your mind, बहुत सी चीजें हैं जो बहुत अच्छा आप express कर सकते हो, but you are not able to express. Your last answer was very nice. Okay, you just saw there are many drawings. You thought how can we create these drawings, but properly you're not able to express. But you know
Yes,
the
sir.
things. That's nice. Yeah, good.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, now we'll start with Prajwal. Prajwal on your mic and Suresh off your video. Yeah.
Yeah. Good evening,
Oh,
sir.
good evening. Good evening. Prajwal, how many hours you are spending for your trainings?
In the Unique Civil, you mean?
Evening civil, yeah.
Yes, sir. So in Unique Civil, after I come back from my work, so I spend at least the lecture, like the amount of lecture which I have to watch, which could be 1 or 2. So those are usually 1 hour each. So take an average of 2 hours per lecture, and an hour for practicing and whatever the home assignments are given. So it's approximately 3 hours each day.
3 hours each day.
Yeah.
Okay, so how much you rate yourself out in AutoCAD out of 10?
If I would have been asked this question a week back, I would have said that it would have been 4 or maybe 4.5 maximum. But I think now I'm getting a hang of it, and I can, I'm getting little bit of the finishing time, but still I have to I have to learn a lot of it. But I think now it's about 6.5.
Okay.
Yeah.
Like whatever drawings we create in AutoCAD, we print on A3 paper size. So what is the standard paper size of A3 paper size?
A3. The first size I remember is 8.5 inch by 11 inch, and then you just keep on adding. So I'll just have to calculate, but I know like how
You
to
have a time.
calculate.
You have a time. You can calculate.
Uh, uh, no, sorry, I can't recall, sir. I'm sorry, but I remember it, but just can't recall it.
Okay. So what is the use of array in AutoCAD?
Okay, so array. There are three different types of array.
Hmm.
So basically, it is a easier way to mirror a thing in a defined path. So it could be a rectangular, it could be a polar, or it would be a straight path. And you can just add the amount of the mirroring thing and how we want the mirroring thing. So yeah, for example, the rangoli thing which we create, that makes it, the polar area makes it an easier way to do it.
Okay. And in AutoCAD Dimensions, there is a baseline. What is the use of baseline spacings?
I'm sorry, sir, did not understand.
In AutoCAD Dimensions, there are a command that name is baseline spacings. So what is the use of baseline spacings?
No, sir, can't recall, sir. Sorry.
Okay. And what is datum point in AutoCAD?
Datum point is the reference point from which the whole thing is taken into. So that's
Okay.
the reference point.
Okay. What is the full form of UPS? UCS, sorry, UCS.
Universal coordinate system.
Coordinate system. Okay.
Yeah.
What is the use of blocks in AutoCAD?
So basically, blocks are something which makes our work in AutoCAD easy. So basically, these are, for example, you need to put in a model of car or a tree. So you don't have to every time. You can't make it every time, right? So you can just import blocks. So for example, for windows, for doors, for different trees, so there are blocks. So you can just import it and add it, which is usually for designing part, but it makes our work easier.
Okay. Prajal, where you want to see yourself after 10 years?
So after 10 years, I would want to be self-employed first of all. I don't want to be working under someone. I should be, the most important thing is that I should be having good amount of knowledge. Currently, I don't have the specific knowledge, but I see that I should be an expert in a specific thing. So yeah,
Means
I'm
you
looking for a niche skill in 10
okay,
years.
you want to use our platform because you want to grow your knowledge, and after that you don't want to work with our
Exactly.
right?
Yes, sir.
So you
Yes,
want
sir.
to use our company?
No, no, sir. Oh, but so that is something which I'm looking for 10 years. But I think I can be the most loyal employee for the next coming 10 years, which is fair enough. Like that it would be a fair trade. I would be learning, and I would be contributing.
So you
But
will be
10 years
loyal.
down the line, yeah. But 10 years down the line, obviously, you need to think about what works for
Okay.
you.
Okay, Prajal, I have a good opportunity for you, but I need your 2-year agreement. Are you comfortable for your 2-year agreements?
Sir, depends on the terms and conditions. So where I'll be where I'll be working, what are the conditions, what position I would be working as, and what is the package which I'll be receiving.
Okay, everything is good. Then are you comfortable for that?
Sir, I would love it, but I would prefer if it's a 1-year bond, because in today's situations are very uncertain. So 1-year bond should be more practical for me.
Okay, and suppose you got the opportunity for 1 year and you got the bond, and after 1 month you got the next opportunity and 50% hike from your present salaries. Then what's your steps?
No, sir. If I am taking this opportunity, I'll be thinking very carefully about it before taking this offer. And unless and until I don't get the hang of the whole thing, so I don't learn what is actually happening, I would not prefer to switch it, even if the hike is good. So first I would want to learn everything I could take in, and then only I would think of switching, not immediately.
Okay,
Yeah.
good. What's your good habits?
So my good habit is basically I could be honest, and then if wanted, I could do overtime without any complaints. So that
Okay,
is some.
okay. What's your bad habits?
My bad habit could be again the same thing. I could be too honest sometimes. So yeah, so sometimes you have to be very practical in the job environment. So that could affect a little bit. So yeah.
Okay, nice to meeting with you, Prajal.
Yes, sir.
This was
Thank you, sir.
necessary. Yeah. Okay, now next is now we'll start with Akash. Akash Dalvi, are you there?
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening, good evening. Right now, are you in MP, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, which location?
So I am living in sir Pandurna in Chinwada district.
Chinwada.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and you are
So
from Nagpur.
which is near from Nagpur, sir, 100 kilometers.
And you are from Nagpur, na?
No, sir. I am basically from Pandurna,
Pandurna. So from your
which is town located in the Chinwada district, and it is away 100 meters away from Nagpur.
okay, means total distance from your home to your office space is 200 kilometers, right?
Office space?
Office means where you're working and
No, sir,
your
I am not
hometown.
work. No, sir, I am not working till
You're not working anywhere?
now. No, sir.
Okay, great. Okay, Akash, introduce yourself.
So, as you know, sir, my name is Akash Dalvi. I am from Pandurna, which is located in Chinwada district in Madhya Pradesh. I have completed my BTech degree from Rajiv Gandhi Vishwavidyalaya, Pradyogik Vishwavidyalaya, Bhopal, and I grabbed 2 months experience from Jaipur in company called Manuka Fruits Private Limited, and now I am pursuing internship from Unique Civil.
Okay, yeah, that was I recall that you were working where anywhere, na, in that
Yes,
internship
sir.
company,
But
na?
yes, sir. But I leave that company
Okay, you left.
because I can't afford Jaipur in that small salary range. That's why.
Okay, I thought you were working in that place only. Okay, no issue. So right now you switch all. You left the job and you just focus on your training, right?
Yes, sir.
How many hours you are doing the practice, or how many hours you're spending on Unix Civil for your internship?
It's at least 4 hours.
4 hours. And the rest of times, what are you doing?
So I'm just chilling.
So try to give your 5 to 6 hours at least, because you are full
Yes,
time free,
yes.
so you can utilize this. Yeah. What's your hobby, Akash?
So my hobbies are, sir, I like biking, sir, and playing sports such as cricket, volleyball, and kho.
Okay. Akash, why should I hire you?
So you should have me because I am adaptive and flexible to learn anything, and I have the required skill that company is expecting, and that will make a company to the next level. Also, I am honest and hardworking person.
Okay. You pass out year
So my pass out year is 2021.
2020. In your degree, in your last semester, what are the subjects?
So at my last semester, I have subjects. Steel structure is there, RCC also there,
Okay.
and geotechnical also is there.
In
Three
final year,
subjects.
final semester?
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Geotechnical is there, sir.
Which book you prefer for steel structure in your college time?
So, I read from that sir book that is called Shivani. That is a
Okay.
handbook.
Okay. That is just like a Tech Max,
Yes, sir.
right?
Because due to the pandemic, we can't go to the college.
Okay. Your board
That's
was
why we are.
Nagpur.
That's what, sir. Sorry.
Your Nagpur state, like your university was Nagpur University,
No, sir. University is Bhopal University.
Bhopal
But
University.
I studied in the college in Patil district,
Okay.
which is affiliated to RGBP.
RGBP. Yeah,
Yes.
definitely. Okay. Okay. And like for SOM, which standard book you follow?
So I forget about it, sir.
Okay, no issue. I'm just trying to check your memory. Okay. What's your weakness, Akash?
So my weakness is so I am a bit lazy in which I am not interested, and someone asked me for help, so I can do help, and I can trust anyone.
Okay. What is the use of dynamic input?
So dynamic input is like that. So it is giving information that how much line we are going to draw on AutoCAD. So basically, it gives information about it.
Okay. Akash, what is the use of escrow account?
Sorry.
Escrow account in RERA rules.
Yes, sir. So escrow account is a type of account in which it is a separate account which is made by the developer of a real estate project. Minimum 70% of funds are collected through the project, and that is used only for the project which is pertaining to the same land.
Okay.
That is called escrow account.
What is built up area?
So build-up area is an area which consists of exterior walls, interior walls, columns. That is called build-up areas.
Okay. And what is carpet area?
So carpet area means the living area in which we can live, excluding the columns, walls. That is called carpet area.
Very good. बहुत अच्छा. Okay, Akash. What's your salary expectations?
So my salary expectation is as per the industry norms.
As per the system. Nice interview, Akash. Very good. Okay. Okay. Of your mic, there are some sounds. No. Yeah. Okay. Goswami. Suham Goswami. Mr. Suham Goswami. Are you there? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Goswami, you are doing job right now?
No, sir.
Okay. You're just doing the
I'm currently doing MTech.
MTech. That's it. Only college
First
and
year complete
internship.
and
Second year. You just switch in second year,
first
right?
year completed. Just second year start.
Okay. Okay. Great. Okay. Shubham, introduce yourself.
So as you know, my name is Shubham Philip Gosavi. I'm from basically I am from Sindhudurga. I stay in Kothurud, Pune, at Pune. And I'm currently MTech engineer in MIT WPU Pune. Uh, my hobbies are reading book, playing cricket, different types of architecture and structure construction work, and uh, my strengths. My strengths are I am honest, and I have a positive attitude towards career and life. And my weakness is I am emotional, and I can't say no when someone asks me for help, and I want to become structure engineer in future as in Unix level consultancy.
Okay.
Is
Why
my
you want
goal.
to? Okay. Why you want to become a structure engineer?
Sir, because structure is a like different types of it is the bones of the construction.
Correct.
So whenever I see the doctors uh, to treatment to the patients. That's why in real life construction, how can we build the structure? It's like a curiosity. Then
Okay.
I have to watch every structure. So it's the main point
Okay.
that I
Okay.
have to.
You mention your technical skills, and in technical skills in your resume mention Autodesk rendering. What? I'm not getting
Yeah.
what is Autodesk rendering. Kindly explain.
Sir, Autodesk rendering means is a not as a proper rendering, but it has a normal view of rendering, 3D rendering. We have to
I, I
saw that in this
I think you're talking
rendering
about Rabbit cloud rendering,
rendering.
Rabbit cloud rendering, right? You're talking about that only, like render by
Yeah,
Autodesk,
Revit.
right? Okay. And
Yeah, sir.
okay, you know
It is a
auto.
plugin, Autodesk rendering.
I'm getting that. This is not a technical skill. This is the part of the Revit only. That's why I'm indicating this.
Okay,
Okay,
okay, sir.
no issue. What's your career objective?
Sir, my career objective is my future is
Off your video
I'm
of
doing a consultancy.
Goswami, off your video so that we can get your clear sounds. I think there is some network issues. That's why we are not able to hear you clearly. So if possible, off your video. That will be done.
Uh,
Yeah, that's nice. Because maybe audio quality will
uh,
increase. Yeah. So
yes, sir. I hear you, sir.
yeah,
I'm audible.
yeah. Right now this is good. Okay. So what's your hobbies?
Okay.
What's your hobbies, Shubham?
Sir, my hobbies are playing cricket, look like a different architecture and structural construction watch, because whenever different types of structure watch
Hmm.
in mind to get that, different types of designing in mind to set that, and that designing point of view, I have to build different types of designing parameters. We have to decide it, and our different types of manually designing knowledge to build a proper structure to
Correct.
build it. So it is very important point uh, in mind. So this is my
Okay.
main hobby.
Okay. Okay. Good. So these are your main hobbies to look at the buildings. Like whatever buildings you saw in Pune and you like feel like yeah that is something different. Any particular buildings name you remember? Like
Sir,
Trump
I
Tower.
have
I
to.
when I see the Trump Towers, I feel like that is something
No, sir.
different.
There's a DY Patil Stadium. Look like it's a steel and concrete
Okay.
mixed structure.
Okay. DY Patil Stadium. Where is located this stadium?
Uh, Sir, no, but it is nearby Pune. But it is visited since 1 year, so I
Okay.
have
No.
not remember.
So you mention here rabbit architectures, right? So that means you know
Yes.
rabbit family you mention here. So what is parametric and non-parametric family?
Sir, parametric family means it is uh, it is a family which is included in the Revit architecture, and non-parametric family means it is downloaded to other um, uh, other
Okay.
website.
What are the file formats in Revit?
So, no, I don't know.
Okay. What are the file format for AutoCAD?
DWG format.
Okay. Difference between section and elevation.
Sir, elevation is a overall around the portion of this structure or building, how it look like, and section is a cut portion of this structure. It is the internal portion, how it look like. Is a difference between this means there is a main difference between this elevation and section.
Okay.
Means how to means exterior and internal portion. We have
Okay.
to I have to see it properly.
Okay. Where we use raft foundation.
Whenever whenever the structure is like big structure, at that time we have to use the rough foundation.
Okay. What's your weakness, Shubham?
Sir, my weakness is I am a little bit emotional, and whenever someone asks me for help, then I have to help help him.
Okay. What was your project in BTech? B.
Sir, my BTech project is on comparative designing of gravity and retaining wall structures, RCC retaining wall structures, comparing.
Okay. What is retaining wall?
Retaining wall is a structure that we provided on one side portions when load is applied on this land to support that positions at that land position as a structure. This is called as retaining wall.
Okay. Okay. Nice, Shubham. This was nice interview and but need some areas to improve. I'll just tell you your feedback later. Okay. Just
Okay,
wait for
okay.
your turn. Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. Most welcome. Now next is Aniket Patilji. Aniket Patil, and after this Ankit. Aniket Patil. How are you, Aniket?
Good evening, sir. I'm fine. How are
Okay.
you?
I'm Good. And how was your day?
So it was an excellent day. Just had the regular day work,
Okay.
inspection work on site.
Okay, you done your inspection, right?
Yes.
Total how many years experience you have?
Sir, I have an actual site experience of around 1 year, in which I've completed 2 projects.
Okay, only 1 years and you completed 2 projects, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, in both projects, what type of footings you used?
Sir, we have actually used isolated step footing in both the projects, and
Uh,
this third project is also of the same footing.
okay, how many floors in the both projects?
Sir, first project was around basement plus ground.
Okay.
First project. Second
Huh.
project was ground G+1.
Okay.
And the third project is, which is currently I'm working there. It is about G+8. It is a residential building.
Okay. So what is your current CTC?
Sir, I'm getting a current pay of 20,000 right now.
Okay. And what CTC you looking for?
Currently, I'm working as a site engineer. So if I'm trying to shift to a structural engineer profile, then I'm expecting a pay of 25 to 30,000.
25 to 30 you're looking for. Okay. Any dream company in your mind?
Currently, sir, I have a role model in my mind. Actually, he is my sir, so I would love to work for his company, which I would get to know a lot.
Okay, good. Uh, Aniket, where you want to see yourself after 5 years?
So after 5 years, I would love to be a structural engineer where I can design high-rise structures with ease.
Okay. Where we use pile foundation, Aniket?
Sir, pile foundation can be used where the foundation is a bit hard to excavate. That is where we can use pile foundation.
Okay. And what is shear wall?
What is
Shear wall.
shear wall? Don't know, sir.
What is retaining wall?
Sir, a retaining wall is a structure where on one side of the retaining wall, for example, we can retain like soil or murum to prevent it from falling inside.
Okay. So that we use for retaining walls. And what cover we provide for column?
Covers are 40 mm.
40 mm. And what cover we provide for retaining walls?
25 mm.
25 mm. Okay. What is the maximum cover we can use for any construction?
75 mm.
75. Why not more than that?
So actually, I've used 75 mm on my site as maximum cover. That's why I said 75
Yeah,
mm.
that is correct. But why not we use 100 mm?
So don't have a technical explanation for that.
Okay, no issue. And what is the standard thickness of slab?
Standard thickness of slab 150 mm.
Okay. How to calculate this? You know about that?
Thickness of slab?
Yeah.
No, sir.
Okay. There is a formula that is shorter span by basic value to modification factor. Maybe you heard in college time. Manual calculation. Okay. What is the if I just explain different types of columns. So based on loadings, different types of columns name, the name of columns based on
Get
loading.
based on loading, sir. Are we talking about shapes like rectangular column or circular column?
Yeah.
Circular column, rectangular column.
Okay. Minimum number of bars in circular column.
Bars in circular column. Don't know, sir.
Okay. Okay. No sure. Minimum number of sites in polygon AutoCAD polygon.
Minimum number of sides.
Yeah.
Uh,
You know what polygons?
3.
Sure. 3.
3, yes, sir.
Okay. And maximum?
No end.
No end.
Like we can draw as many sides in polygon, right, sir?
No, if you go in for like maximums, it will be converted in a circle, na?
Yes, sir.
If edges are the like infinite, so definitely it will be a circle. So what is the difference between circle and edge? There are numbers. Okay, no, so we'll discuss later. And what is the use of blocks in AutoCAD?
Sir, a block is a combination of objects which can be merged into one to be used in AutoCAD.
Okay, great. Why should I hire you, Aniket?
Sir, I'm very career oriented. I bit lack in time management skills because I'm very detail oriented and it take a bit more time to do my work. But I will make sure that a work is completed perfectly without any structural default in that. So
Okay,
you can count on me then in that.
okay, that's why I feel like you are the right person for this job, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is the advantage of BBS?
With the advantage of bar mending schedule, we can calculate the amount of steel which is going to be required on site. So we can previously know what amount to order before proper execution of work.
Okay, good. Nice interview, Aniket.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, most welcome. Now, next is we'll start with Ankit. Mr. Ankit. Ankit, how are you? Ankit, tell me something about yourself which is not mentioned in your CV. I'm not able to hear you.
Hello, sir.
Hello, yes.
Uh, Currently, I am doing MTech, sir. Simultaneously, I am doing unique civil
Internship.
internship course, and with simultaneously, I am doing my father's business.
Okay, that's three in one.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And introduce yourself.
My name is Ankit Pensalar. I am from Latur district. Currently, I am living in Pune. Currently, I am doing in MTech in structural engineering from MIT WPU. Before that, my BTech completed in civil engineering from G.H. Raisuni College of Engineering and Management, Waguli. Before that, I have completed my diploma from Latur with percentage of 81.39.
What percentage you get again in BTech?
8.99 CGPA.
8. Oh yeah, that is 8.99. And in 12th, you done 12th or 10th? 10th.
No, sir, I have done my diploma.
Okay, what percentage you get in your 10th?
My 10 percentage is 84.20.
Okay. Any career gap in your career?
Yes, sir. 2020, 2021.
2021. What you
Yes.
did in your 2021?
This is not a gap, sir, because 2020 November I got result, and
Okay,
so
there is no gap.
no.
Okay, you're doing your father's business also.
Yes.
So if I hire you for a company, so how can you focus for your like my company and as well as for your father's business?
Sir, my firstly aim is doing a best civil or a structural engineer. Uh, my personally passionate to grow my career in structural engineering, and this is my aim, sir. We're doing myself rather than father's business.
Okay, so
This
you're
is,
going to say your father's ki I'm not going to like do the your job, right?
no, this is my responsibility, or this is my aim, sir. Both are different things. Both things are I will manage betterly.
Okay, but definitely if you're manage trying to manage the things, you can't do better. To try to fix your mind, don't mention with any company I'm doing the like this type of business, okay? Because they focused कि if you are going to work with your parents, definitely you're going to focus for that things. Also, as well as the same time, if you're going for job, you're not going to be focused. Got it? So
Okay.
don't mention them कि I'm doing this type of part job. Okay. Ankit, what's your hobby?
My hobbies are cooking. Currently, my new hobby is drawing on AutoCAD.
Okay. So you like this hobby?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Definitely, if you're trying to draw a single papers and you're going to decide the 20 lakh, 25 lakhs from that papers. So that is the
Yes,
most
sir.
important things. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Ankit, you've done your AutoCAD. So in AutoCAD, what is the use of dynamic input command? Okay, you know what
Sir,
dynamic UCS command? You know about that dynamic UCS? Okay, no issue.
yes, sir. Coordinate system. Dynamic.
Okay, and what there are some types of circles in AutoCAD.
Yes, sir.
What are the name of that circles?
2-point circle, 3-point circle, 10-10 circle, 10-10 radius circle.
2 point, 3 point, 10 10 and 10 10 radius.
10-10-10, 10-10 radius.
Okay, and when you just draw the circles, sorry, that polygons, there are two types of polygons. One is circumambulate circles, second is inscribed in circle, right?
Yes, sir.
So what is the difference between both?
Search सर्कल पॉलीगॉन के इनर साइड पे बिलोंग करता है और अदर आउटर साइड ऑफ पॉलीगॉन.
Okay, why should I hire you, Ankit?
Because I have quality to take a responsibility and manage well with as a responsible employee.
Okay, good, Ankit. Nice interview. I'll just give you feedback later. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Now we'll come with Ankit is done. Pranal Patil. Patil ji. Pranal Patil. Okay, I think he's not here right now. Yeah, he's here. Yeah.
Hello, sir. Good evening.
Good evening. Good evening. Pranal, where are you right now? You are in Pune, na?
No, sir. I'm in Nasik.
Nashik. Okay.
Yes.
And you're doing job in Nashik, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Pranal, what is the full form of CTC?
CTC. Sorry, sir. I can't recall.
Okay, no, sir. Cost to company. Okay, no
Cost
issue.
to company,
Yeah.
yes.
So, Pranal, tell me something about yourself which you not mention in your CV.
Actually, sir, I'm starting to studying design recently,
Okay.
which is I didn't mention in my CV.
Correct.
Remaining all things are mentioned in my CV.
Okay. And what are the technical skills you have?
I have good skills in AutoCAD, so that's why I'm applying for job of draftsman, as
Okay.
I mentioned in my mail.
Okay. And yeah, I'm looking for that. There are some types of array in AutoCAD. What the name of the types of arrays?
In my mind, there are three types of array: path array, polar array, and rectangular array.
Okay. What is the use of building by law?
Building by law is used for to better construction of better buildings. By using this law, we can able to design or making plan as per we can prepare proper plan that is sizes of room. It's about room sizes and ventilation and road margins and like this.
What
So
is F? Correct. You are correct. What is FSI and how to calculate FSI?
FSI is a floor index. It is calculated by the plot area divided by the built up area, I think.
Okay, what is built up area?
Built up area is the plinth area which is covered by the project.
Okay, why you want to become a structure engineer?
Actually, recently I'm working as a project coordinator and site execution. So I just want to know how the buildings are designed. So I'm curious about it, and I want to learn and taking knowledge for this
Okay,
discipline also.
okay. Pranal, what's your hobby?
I like listening to the musics.
What type of music?
Just classical and Bollywood.
Classical and Bollywood type of movies, like songs you like most. Which song you like most?
These songs from Bajirao Mastani. तुझे याद कर लिया है.
Okay, Bajirao. Who's the director of that movie?
Sanjay Leela Bansali.
Sanjay Leela Bansali. Okay, that is your favorite song, right?
Yes.
Okay. Bajirao, yeah. Pranal, why Nasik is famous? For what Nasik is famous?
It's famous for the grapes basically, and here is the wine production factory, Sula Wines, which is very eminent for wines.
Okay, so that's why famous. Like where you, like in India, like where you like this city is best? What you feel like you visited anywhere or just Nasik only?
Uh, I think Nasik is best,
No,
as
like
there is a climate is very suitable for me.
okay. So your most favorite place for you is Nasik.
Nasik, yes.
Okay, and I think this is your hometown.
No, actually, my hometown is Shahada, which is approx 210 kilometer from Nasik.
210 kilometers from Nasik. Okay, okay. Pranal, where you want to see yourself after 10 years?
I would like become a successful structural engineer and want to start my consultancy also.
Okay, you want to start your consultancy. Then why should I hire you?
Sir, actually, I have a great experience in site execution as well as material and management, and now I would I have little bit experience in designing, and I want to learn a great knowledge from your organization, and for after getting knowledge from your organization, I want to give its feedback and my contribution to your organization for few years, that I can it's just like guru dakshana from me.
Correct.
So
Okay, that's why you like.
yes.
Okay, what's your biggest achievements, Pranal?
I had done one complex complexity in my last project. Actually, I am working in post tensioning. So in last month, my worker is cutted the post tensioning cable without stressing. So I repaired it with properly.
Okay, what method you follow for that?
Sorry.
What method you follow for the, like repairing that?
Actually, he was cutted that cable from the dead end,
Okay.
and we break the concrete back side approx 350 and then we set one donuts there, and then we recasted it, and after casting we stressed it from there and shift that dead end to inner side.
You're providing the stress from hydraulic jacks.
Yes, hydraulic jacks.
Okay, nice. Nice to meeting with you, Pranal, and this was nice interview. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Now who's there? Is on with everyone. Sandesh Wani. Sandesh is there, and after that Arjun. Okay. Sandesh. What is the meaning of Sandesh?
Sir, meaning of the Sandesh is to give the message to someone.
Okay. What's your favorite song?
My favorite song is Dil Diya Galla.
Okay, and this is your message also.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Sandesh. You from
Jalwan, sir. Currently, I am living in Mumbai, Dombivli.
Mumbai? Okay. Mumbai Dongoli. And you're looking for a job in Mumbai only?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and
I'm
you're doing also, right?
doing job. Yes, sir.
Okay. So what you facing right now? You facing any problems in your side in your new job? You join new company, na? So
No,
you're
sir.
facing.
No, no, sir. Currently, I'm not facing the problems.
Okay, good. So you know the things what they required, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sandesh, what's your biggest achievements in your life?
Sir, my biggest achievement to got a first job, and after 2 or 3 months I get a job. Sir, this is the biggest achievement to achieve job.
Okay, means after completed your degree, just in 2 to 3 months you got
Yes,
the
sir.
job.
2 to 3 months. Yes, sir.
Okay, what's your weakness?
Sir, my weakness is to, I'm not remember such a type of things too much long time. So
Okay,
I'm not remember.
okay, which type of things?
So the if you uh, is in civil engineering or in regular routine, so I not remember
Okay,
the long time. So
okay, like you have a long-term like memory problems, right? You're not able to recall the things.
recall.
Okay. Sandesh, what's your hobby?
So my hobby is to play the piano, and I play the piano in college also, and to dance, uh, dance, and to ride a bike. This is the hobby, sir. And
This.
to watch the YouTube video in related to civil engineering, structural engineering.
Okay, that things you like, right? This is your hobby.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what's your salary expectation, Sandesh?
20,000, sir.
20,000. And if I want to provide you 25,000, then
Sir, yes, sir. I agree, sir.
okay. Where you want to see yourself after 2 years?
Sir, my the goal is to open the my own consultancy and to give job to the freshers, yeah, or experienced students, and to get the to give the job and
So that means you are going to become my competitor also, right?
yes, sir.
You are going to open your own company. Then if I hire you, what's my benefit? Think about that.
I don't know the
Yeah,
question, sir.
don't mention with anyone what's my future plans. Okay, just try to give the answers them, but not the right answers. Okay, if you're going to say okay, I'm going to become open my own consultancy, then why should I hire you and why should I teach you, right? So give them answers, but complicated answers. Okay, manipulating answers. Try to give like that. Okay, Sandesh, you done your AutoCAD. So in AutoCAD there is array. So what are the name of that arrays?
Sir, there is a three type of array. First is the rectangular, polar, and circular, rectangular, polar, and path array, sir.
Okay, what is standard A4 paper size?
Mm, I don't know, sir. Not reminder.
Okay, difference between extension line and dimension line.
Sir, extension line is the line in the dimension line to extend the line, and dimension line is the to the give the dimension of the some object. This is the difference, sir.
Okay, what is the use of break line?
Break line, sir. Break line is the line to break the some to some object to indicate the object is break a short time, and then it is continuous.
Okay, good, Sandesh. And there are some points to improve. I'll just tell you that what points or mistakes you have. Okay, so just wait for your turn. This was nice interview. Okay, so after Sandesh, Arjun Srivastav. Arjun. Okay.
Hello.
Hello. Yes, Arjun.
Yes. Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Good evening. Are you at your home? Means you're
Yes, sir.
okay. There is no electricity, I think.
I'm on PG. No, sir. There is electricity, but not in room. I am at roof now.
Okay, no issue. No issue. It's still just not required. I'm just asking. Okay, Arjun, tell me something about yourself which you not mention in your CV.
Okay. Sir, firstly, I like to cooking. I like to cook many types of food like Indian, Chinese, and so many other states food. And the second thing is I like to know about the buildings, which is very creative, or there are something new building like Burj Khalifa. So I want to study about Burj Khalifa, that in the Burj Khalifa where is almost 150 pile foundation, which is almost 50-meter depth.
What is the height of Burj Khalifa?
Sir, 829.9 meter.
829.9. Very good. And what is the density of RCC, Arjun?
Sir, RCC density is 2500 Newton per mm square, mm cube.
Okay. And in AutoCAD, what is the use of infer constant command?
Don't know, sir.
Okay. And what is the use of dynamic input command?
Sir, dynamic input is used to know the value of the length or change the value of the line or any other object.
Okay. How to change the color of AutoCAD screen?
Don't know, sir.
Okay. And we use like shortcut key for mirror command. Shortcut key for mirror command.
Sir, MI.
For move?
M.
Okay. What is ribbon palette?
Sir, ribbon palette is the upper area of the screen, which is we have all the tools we have we can click or use.
Okay, what was your project in your diploma?
Sir, porous concrete road.
Porous concrete road. Just
Yes, sir.
explain about that.
Sir, the porous concrete road is that road where we can where we have pores in that road, and we can use we can take that if sometime we have the rain, so we can use that water for the other work.
Okay. What is the use of gypsum in cement?
Gypsum. Don't know, sir. Not now. I can't recall.
Okay, no issue. And I think you don't know about that. Okay. There are some different types of grades in cements.
Yes, sir.
What is the name?
Sir, 40, 33, 43, and 53.
What is
In
33,
OPC.
40? What is 33, 43, 53?
Sir, 33, 43, 53 is the strength of the cement.
Strength of the cement. Okay.
After 28 days.
Okay, correct. Maximum water absorption of bricks.
Sir, almost I think 0.7%.
0.7%. So generally any brick can absorb that 0.7%. I'm talking about maximum. Okay, no issue. It's 20. Okay, and okay. Arjun, what's your hobby?
Sir, I like to sing.
Okay.
And I like to play chess.
Okay. What type of songs you like to sing?
Any type of song, sir.
Okay, if you're comfortable, you can sing a single line.
Yes, sir. उत्तराखंड की पहाड़ियां में जी सा लागे से, आ गया मैं लंदन में मनई सा लागे से, पार्वती मैया तने प्रणाम दूजा तू प्रचंडी रे, सावन महीना लाग रहा बारिश ठंडी ठंडी रे, ओ आजो चमक चमक गंगे मैया बहरी, चलावे भोलेनाथ से मेरा हो रे दुनिया तो मार के न राजी, बचावे भोलेनाथ से मेरा.
Excellent. This was the confidence required for everyone. सब लोग देखो भाई, देखो आपको देखना है कि दूसरे, तो इसका कॉन्फिडेंस देख रहे हो, ये इसने हेजिटेट नहीं किया, और यही होना चाहिए हमारे अंदर. दैट्स व्हाई मुझे सॉन्ग तो हम यूट्यूब पे भी सुन सकते हैं, लेकिन उसका कॉन्फिडेंस देखो, तो ये सबको ही चाहिए. वेरी गुड. ओके अर्जुन, where you want to see yourself after 10 years?
Sir, after 10 years, I will take your company at a next level.
Okay.
And also I want to be.
Okay. Suppose you are the structure engineer in my company. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, which type of help you can? Oh, set in like the wait for a minute. Light is not just cut here. Electricity. Okay, I can't on my video, so we can continue with this. Arjun, are you audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. No,
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, Arjun. So Arjun, you mentioned here. Okay, you done your AutoCAD. How much you rate yourself in AutoCAD? 10 out of?
Pardon, sir.
How much you rate yourself out of 10 in AutoCAD?
8.
8
out of 10.
Okay.
Yes,
difference between section and elevation?
Sir, section is the part. Section is the internal part of the house, and the elevation is the front part of the total house.
Okay. What is carpet area?
Sir, carpet area is the area which is we can live. The
Okay.
normal area which is for a single family.
Okay. What is FAR?
Sir, FAR is the total value of the plot. Like if we have three floors building, so
Correct.
the ratio of the floor area and the total area.
Correct. So that is FAR. And what is FSI?
Sir, FAR is the cover area ratio of cover area and the plot area.
Okay. Arjun, why should I hire you?
Sir, because I have a great knowledge of AutoCAD, and also I am already working in MNC company where I have already almost 3 to 4 months experience in this company.
Okay.
And yes, sir.
Oh, what you don't like in your current company?
Sir, nothing, sir.
Okay. And what you like about your company?
I love everything, sir.
Okay. Nice to meeting with you, Arjun. This was nice interview. Okay. Okay.
Thank you so much, sir.
Now next is Vikas, and after that Ambuj. Vikas, are you audible right now? Vikas Mugdal. I think he's not audible right now. Let's start with Ambuj. Ambuj, on your mic, please. After that, Vikas. Okay, Ambuj. Okay. No issue. So we'll start with Vikas, then Ambuj. Ambuj just Vikas is just came. Okay. Vikas, how are you?
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Introduce yourself. Vikas, introduce yourself. Yeah. Vikas, introduce yourself.
My name is Vikas.
Yeah.
My name is Vikas. I am from Haryana. In my family, apart from my parents, my child, I have a younger sister. I am BTech in civil engineering. Presently, I am taking a training at Unique Civil Training Institute.
Okay.
I have a 2-year experience as an assistant site engineer in building construction.
Okay.
I like cooking. That's all about me. Thank you.
Okay. What technical skills you have?
I acquired training about AutoCAD and StatPro.
Okay, AutoCAD StatPro. What is the file format of StatPro?
So, sir.
Okay, AutoCAD file format.
.dwg.
Okay, which company made the software? AutoCAD.
Autodesk, sir.
Autodesk make the software. Okay, in which year? Okay, you don't know about that. No issue. And in AutoCAD, what is the use of dynamic input command?
So that
off your video so that you can get good internet connections. Off your video, Vikas. You're not audible properly. I think there's.
Can I start?
Yeah. Okay, that will fine. So, Vikas, what's your hobby? Cooking?
I like cooking, sir. Yes.
Okay. What's your strength?
Sir, I am a very hardworking person and I am loyal toward my work.
Okay. And what's your weakness?
Sir, I am a very emotional person. I cannot say no anyone if anyone asks for my help.
Okay. Why you want to become a structure engineer?
Sir, first of all, I like structural engineering. And the second one, as you already know, I work as an assistant site engineer. So, working culture of a structural consultancy is an important for me.
Okay. So are you working right now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What you don't like in your current company?
Yes, sir.
What you don't like in your current company?
Sir, it's very difficult to maintain my social life.
Okay. So you feel your company is trying to damage your social life.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And what you like about your current company? Nothing?
Hello?
Yeah. What you like about your current company?
Sir, as it's my first company for my job, so I acquired some basic civil knowledge from here.
Okay. So that's why you like these things you like you started learning from here, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. In AutoCAD, what is the use of layers?
Layers to differentiate uh, components of my drawing like wall, door, column, beam, etc.
Okay. And in AutoCAD, there are a command that is called purge. What is the use of purge command?
Or sir,
Yeah, purge. P-U-R-G-E, purge.
don't remember, sir.
Okay. What is the use of overkill command?
What, sir?
Overkill. Overkill
Sorry,
command.
sir.
Okay, no issue. Okay, there are different types of circles in AutoCAD. What is the name of that circles?
Center circle, diameter circle, 2-point circle, 3-point circle, 10-10 radius, 10-10-10.
Okay. Difference between ordinate and coordinate.
Ordinate and coordinate.
Coordinate and
Sir,
ordinate.
ordinate is mainly distance. Sir, here I have one question.
Okay,
Sir, in mathematics we have studied abscissa and ordinate.
correct.
There we studied ordinate as a distance in y-axis, but in AutoCAD we learned that it is distance from x-axis.
Okay. You know about AutoCAD 3D also?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just give the name of 5 most important AutoCAD 3D commands.
Extrude, revolve,
Okay.
extrude, revolve, union,
Okay.
sir, loft.
Okay. What is the use of loft?
So,
Okay, no issue.
but we make chimney from the with the help of loft.
Correct. Okay, Vikash. This was nice interview. Okay, just wait. I'll just give you feedback. Yeah. Now last is Mr. Ambuj Tripathi. Where is he? Just off your video, off your mic, please, Vikash. Ambuj. Ambuj is there.
Hello.
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 Yes, Ambuj.
Hello, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Good evening. Ambuj, introduce yourself.
Sir, my name is Ambuj Tripathi. I'm from Madhya Pradesh.
Okay.
I have completed my academics from my hometown school, and
Okay.
I have completed my BTech from SRM University, Chennai,
Correct.
with the 8.8 CGPA.
Okay.
And I started working under one architect as an engineer, and then I started my own work, and then after COVID I left all these things, and now I'm looking after my business.
Okay. You're looking for job, right?
Yes, sir.
Ambuj, what is civil engineering?
What is?
What is civil engineering?
You mean to say, sir, I have to define the civil engineering?
Yeah, exactly.
Sir, it is a, you can say, discipline which deals with construction, design, maintenance of physical or
Correct.
naturally built environment.
Correct. What's your strength, Ambuj?
Sir, I always keen to learn the things
Okay.
at any time, you can say.
Okay.
I always keen to learn the things. Yes, sir.
Okay. Ambuj, how much you rate yourself in AutoCAD 10 out of?
Sir, 5 out of 10.
5 out of 10. Okay. Why 5? Why not 6, 7?
So in that exam, I got 70% marks out of 120. So
Okay. According to that, you
I
judge
think.
yourself.
Sorry.
According to that, you judge yourself. Ki I
Yes,
can.
yes, sir. According to, sir, if you talk about exam, so according to that, I give it 5 out of 10.
Okay.
And so as for drawing, definitely it is 7 out of 10.
7 out of 10. Okay, great. Okay.
Yes.
In AutoCAD, when you use transparency, what is the use of transparency, Ambuj?
Transparency, it is basically used in layer properties palette.
Okay.
And it is to fade the particular layer, sir.
Correct.
You can say, sir.
Correct. What is phantom line in engineering drawings?
Sorry, sir.
What is phantom line in engineering drawings?
Phantom line.
Yeah.
Uh,
You have heard about that?
Sir, yes, sir. I don't exactly remember something long
No
short.
issue. Okay, no issue.
Something long short.
Okay.
I don't remember, sir, exactly.
What is the standard paper size, A4 paper size?
A4 paper size.
Yeah.
A4 paper size, sir, 210 by 297 mm. Yes.
Okay.
210 by 297 mm.
In
Yes,
one
sir.
in 1 feet, how many inches?
Sorry, 12 inches.
In 1 feet, 12 inches, right?
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Yes, sir.
Standard wall height, floor height. Standard floor height.
Standard floor height. Floor height.
Yeah.
Sir, floor height from
Floor to floor.
Floor to floor height. Sir,
Yeah.
it is 10 feet.
Okay. And what is the standard riser height?
There is standard riser height.
Yeah.
Sir, it depends from 6 inches to 7 inches.
6 inches to 7 inches. And trade?
Trade minimum, sir, 10 inches. 10 inches to 12 inch.
Okay. Why should I hire you, Ambuj?
Sir, I'm always keen to learn the things, and I'm hardworking. And sir, I can apply my experience with what I'm gaining here in my hometown.
Okay.
In my business. I can definitely apply that on your company's job work.
Okay. So that's why you feel like you are the suitable candidate, right? And
Sir,
what?
I hope so, sir.
Okay. What is the difference between static block and dynamic block in AutoCAD?
Static block, sir, can be changed, but a dynamic block cannot be changed, I think.
Okay. And in AutoCAD dimension, there is a command baseline spacings. What is the use of baseline spacings?
What is the use of that, sir?
Yeah.
Sir, it is space between the text and dimension lines.
Text and dimension line. Okay. Okay, Ambuj, nice interview. And I'll just give you feedback one by one. So you can just heard key what are the need to improve and which portions are weak. Okay. Now.
Thank you so much.
Okay, most welcome. नाउ वी स्टार्ट विथ सर। चलो अभी हम लोग क्या करते हैं कि आपका इंटरव्यू डेफिनेटली हमने लिया और सबका ही लगभग ठीक था, ओके था, लेकिन कुछ लोग का कम्युनिकेशन का प्रॉब्लम था जिसकी वजह से वो एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर पा रहे थे। तो फर्स्ट इज सुरेश। सुरेश गॉट 3 मार्क्स, सुरेश को 3 नंबर्स मिले। इनके पास नॉलेज था थोड़ा बहुत, ये 5 तक गेन कर सकते थे, बट ड्यू टू कम्युनिकेशन ही गॉट ओनली 3 मार्क्स। ठीक है। प्रज्वल का अच्छा था, प्रज्वल गॉट 6 मार्क्स ड्यू टू कम्युनिकेशन। ठीक है। इनका टेक्निकल थोड़ा वीक था बट कम्युनिकेशन अच्छा था, ही गॉट 6 मार्क्स एंड आई थिंक दिस इज द हाईएस्ट मार्क्स। एंड नेक्स्ट इज आकाश। आकाश गॉट 5 मार्क्स। आकाश आपको टेक्निकल थोड़ा और स्ट्रॉन्ग करना पड़ेगा एंड एज वेल एज थोड़ा सा एचआर भी तैयार करो। शुभम गोस्वामी। गोस्वामी थोड़ा सा तुम अटकते हो कम्युनिकेशन में, इसके वजह से तुम 4 मार्क्स गेन किए हो, अदरवाइज तुम 5 पा जाते। जस्ट ड्यू टू कम्युनिकेशन उसमें बार बार ऐसे गैप्स लेते हो अपने कम्युनिकेशन में, उसको ठीक करो। तो तुम्हारे लिए बेटर रहेगा। बाकी तुम्हारा टेक्निकल ओके था, नॉट गुड और नॉट बैड। तुम 4 मार्क्स गेन किए। अनिकेत पाटिल। पाटिल जी यू गॉट 4 मार्क्स एंड पाटिल का अच्छा था, थोड़ा टेक्निकल अच्छा करने की जरूरत है और बड़ा लाइक इनकी एक अच्छी चीज क्या है, बड़ा पेशेंस के साथ बहुत अच्छा बोलते हैं ये, तो दिस वाज द गुड थिंग्स। अंकित गॉट 3 मार्क्स। अंकित जो भी मिस्टेक आपको मैंने बताया वो मत करना कभी भी साइट पे। आप अगर बताते हो कि मैं किसी जॉब में हूँ, सॉरी अगर मैं घर का काम कर रहा हूँ, ऐसा कुछ भी, अंकित हो या फिर अंबुज सेम मेथड है। ज्यादा आपको अपने जॉब के बारे में नहीं बताना है जो करंट आपका है, मतलब घर का जो फैमिली का वर्क है उसको कम एक्सप्रेस करना, अदरवाइज कंपनी सोचती है कि ये बंदा अपने काम में ज्यादा रहेगा, हमारा काम कम हेल्प करेगा। तो अंकित गॉट 3 मार्क्स। प्रणल पाटिल गॉट 4 मार्क्स। प्रणल आपको थोड़ा टेक्निकल और स्ट्रॉन्ग करना पड़ेगा, एज वेल एज कम्युनिकेशन में भी आपके प्रॉब्लम है। जिस लेवल का आपको पैकेज चाहिए उसके लेवल का भी कम्युनिकेशन नहीं है, यू नीड टू इम्प्रूव। एंड संदेश, संदेश आपको भी कम्युनिकेशन का प्रॉब्लम है, यू गॉट ओनली 3 मार्क्स ड्यू टू कम्युनिकेशन। अर्जुन का अच्छा था इंटरव्यू एंड अर्जुन गॉट 6 मार्क्स एंड ड्यू टू लाइक कॉन्फिडेंस, और इनका हाईएस्ट स्कोर है अर्जुन का एंड प्रज्वल का। विकास गॉट 3 मार्क्स। अंबुज गॉट 4 मार्क्स। ठीक है। विकास आपको भी थोड़ा कम्युनिकेशन, थोड़ा सा कॉन्फिडेंस रेस करने की आवश्यकता है और क्या बोलते हैं, गॉट 3 मार्क्स। अंबुज गॉट 4 मार्क्स। अंबुज थोड़ा सा आपको टेक्निकल और स्ट्रॉन्ग करना पड़ेगा, बाकी ओवरऑल आपका अच्छा है। ये था फीडबैक्स जो हमने आपके इंटरव्यू से गेन किया कि आज का जो इंटरव्यू था डेफिनेटली हो सकता है आपका इससे भी अच्छा हो, लेकिन आज जो रिजल्ट था आपका वो बताया जा रहा है कि दिस वाज द योर 2 days रिजल्ट। अब आपको कुछ पूछना है तो आप पूछ सकते हो। ठीक है। डेफिनेटली थोड़ा बहुत देखो क्या होगा, आपको कॉन्फिडेंस आया होगा कि चलो अब मैं से कोई पूछेगा इंट्रोड्यूस सेल्फ तो मुझे डर नहीं लगेगा। क्यों? क्योंकि मैं बता चुका हूँ सर को, एक बार नहीं दो दो तीन तीन बार बता चुका हूँ। तो ये हेजिटेशंस निकालना ही अपना काम है जो कि तुम डेफिनेटली कर रहे हो। अब कोई किसी को कोई क्वेश्चन है तो पूछ सकते हो।
हेलो।
हेलो। हाँ अर्जुन बोलो।
सर केवल ना स्पोकन में ही थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम आती है, इसके अलावा और किसी चीज में कोई इशू नहीं है।
करेक्ट। तो इसको थोड़ा सा वर्क कर लिया जाए।
सर कैसे किया जाए? अब तो कोई साथ वाला भी नहीं रहा ऐसा जिसके साथ किया जाए।
नहीं, साथ वाले बहुत हैं, अभी तुमको साथ वाला दिखाऊंगा तो बहुत मिल जाएगा यहीं पर, लेकिन वो क्या होता है कि हमें टाइम निकालना इंपॉर्टेंट हो जाता है। ठीक है। अब कौन, अब कमेंट करके बताइए कौन चाहता है अपनी कम्युनिकेशन को स्ट्रॉन्ग करना। अभी देखो तुम्हारे साथ तुरंत कंपनी तो खुद क्रिएट करके देता हूँ। ओके। और इन्होंने बोला कि सर प्रज्वल बोल रहे हैं सर स्ट्रक्चर्स में मैनुअल का भी डिजाइन पूछेंगे। यस, हम लोग सीखेंगे। यस, डिजाइन भी सीखेंगे, हम लोग तो सीखेंगे डेफिनेटली, आपको वहां पर बताना भी पड़ेगा इंटरव्यू में। ठीक है। देखो संदेश अभी तुमसे बात करना चाहते हैं, आकाश भी तुमसे बात करना चाहते हैं। लो भाई अब तो तुमसे दो दो लोग मिल गए, तुम्हारे 3 सखा हो गए तुम लोग। ठीक है। एंड प्रज्वल बोला सिंगिंग सिखाएगा अर्जुन। ये लो तुमसे, तुम्हारे सिंगिंग का डिमांड हो गया। अंकित भी तुमसे बात करना चाहते हैं। अब देख लो, तुम बोल रहे थे कोई बात नहीं करना चाहता, अंकित है, सुरेश है, 6 लोग हो गए। ठीक है। तो अभी तुम बहुत हाई डिमांड में आ गए, प्लस तुम्हारी सिंगिंग देखो कितना काम की, प्रज्वल इम्प्रेस हो गया। ठीक है। तो कुल मिला के
नहीं सर, मेरे पास पहले से भी नहीं, कॉन्फिडेंस करो सर, थोड़ा बस प्रॉब्लम इसलिए नहीं है क्योंकि ना मुझे पहले से मेरे पास ऑलरेडी 3-4 सर्टिफिकेट सिंगिंग के और चेस के मेरे पास स्टेट सॉरी मेरे कॉलेज लेवल के सर्टिफिकेट हैं और सिटी लेवल पे मेरे पास डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल के भी सर्टिफिकेट हैं।
वेरी गुड, नहीं तभी तो अच्छा है। तो वही बोला कि देखो, अगर आप स्टार्ट करोगे ना तो बहुत लोग आपको बात करने को मिल जाएंगे। अब देख लो, सुरेश है, अंकित है, प्रज्वल है, आकाश है, संदेश है, सब देखो किसको, देखो यार, सब कोई ना आज के टाइम में कम्युनिकेशन सब चाहते हैं यार। ठीक है, ये तो इसलिए ऐसे तो मत सोचो कि कोई नहीं है। ठीक है, जस्ट सोच, खोजने की जरूरत है। 6 लोग मैंने आपको दे दिया। अब आप उसको कैसे यूटिलाइज करते हो, मैंने एक ग्रुप बनाया हुआ है, आप लोग ऐड हो ऑलरेडी उस ग्रुप में। उस ग्रुप में मीटिंग क्रिएट करके डाल दो कि इफ एनीवन फ्री ट्राई टू टॉक। ठीक है, जो आएगा उससे बात करो, जो नहीं आएगा कोई बात नहीं। ठीक है,
यस सर।
चलेगा। ओके, किसी और को कोई क्वेश्चन है? अगर नहीं है तो जाइए, क्योंकि अभी क्या बोलते हैं, लाइट आई नहीं है, पता नहीं किससे लाइट चली गई, तो हम वीडियो भी नहीं ऑन कर सकते, दिखेगा ही नहीं कुछ।
हेलो सर।
हाँ अंकित बताओ। हाँ अंकित।
सर एक्चुअली अभी जो इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चंस में जो आप क्वेश्चंस पूछते हो, सो अभी टेक्निकल वे में तो ठीक है, हम लोग को आंसर्स मिल जाएंगे, मतलब इफ वी ढूंढ लेंगे। बट अभी फॉर एग्जांपल सर, अभी आप पूछते हो कि व्हाई शुड आई हायर यू और समथिंग लाइक दैट, सो उसका प्रॉपर आंसर भी अगर आप थोड़ा मतलब गाइड कर सको तो हेल्प हो जाएगा सर।
करेक्ट है, बहुत अच्छी चीज है। वैसे इनका क्वेश्चंस का ऑलरेडी हमने आंसर बना रखा है। ठीक है, वो हम आपको अभी शेयर करने वाले हैं।
क्योंकि मैंने वो भी पढ़ा था सर, तो उसमें कैसे लिखा था, एक ये हमको को एक काइंड ऑफ एग्जांपल चाहिए कि हाँ ऐसे आंसर होना चाहिए करके। तो हाँ
एग्जाम एक्चुअली इसमें ऐसा होता है ना अंकित, अंकित की हर केस अलग होता है। ठीक है, तो मतलब हर केस के अकॉर्डिंग अगर तुम आंसर्स करना चाहोगे, कुछ फिक्स आंसर्स हैं, बट जैसे कि व्हाई शुड आई हायर यू, तो सबकी अपनी अलग अलग स्किल है ना। तुम्हें मैं हायर क्यों करूं, क्योंकि तुम बोल सकते हो कि मेरे पास एजुकेशन का अच्छा नॉलेज है। संदेश बोलेंगे मेरे पास कॉलेज का अच्छा नॉलेज है। गॉट इट। तो इसका एक आंसर आपको देना पड़ेगा। हाँ, ये काम जरूर हो सकता है कि आप अपने आंसर्स को बता सकते हो कि सर इसमें कुछ करेक्शन करना है क्या।
वही पूछ रहा था, वही मेरे को चाहिए था।
ठीक है, हाँ चलेगा। तो हम एक डिस्कशन का, एक आंसर का रखेंगे डिस्कशन का, जिसमें सिर्फ और सिर्फ आप अपने आंसर्स को बताना कि सर मैं ये आंसर रखूंगा तो इसमें कुछ इंप्रूवमेंट की नीड है क्या। ठीक है, तो हाँ, तो ऐसा ही हो सकता है, क्योंकि इन क्वेश्चंस को अगर मैं लिख के दे दूं तो वही होगा कि सब अगर सब सेम सुना देंगे, कहा जाएगा यार, तो मतलब सबकी स्टोरी सेम नहीं हो सकती ना। ओके, चलो। अर्जुन बोल रहे हैं कि सर आपको कंपनी का बेनिफिट बताना होता है अपने अंदर। करेक्ट, चलो ठीक है। बाकी हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे मंडे को। आपको क्या काम करना है आपको, और हाँ जस्ट मिनट, मुझे तो ऑटोकैड का जो आपने ड्रीम प्रोजेक्ट बनाया हुआ है सबने, उसकी 3D बनाना है। यही आपका असाइनमेंट है, कुछ नहीं करना है आपको। ऑटोकैड की 3D पढ़ना है आपको। उसके बाद इंटरव्यू में जो आपने पढ़ा, जो मिस्टेक्स किया, इनको ठीक करना है। तो मंडे को ऑटोकैड की 3D हम सबका देखेंगे। हाँ मुझे बताओ।
तो जैसे आपने बोला कि ये हमें ये नहीं बताना कि हम क्या कर रहे हैं अभी फिलहाल, जैसे हम पर्सनल जो बिजनेस कर रहे हैं, तो सर
करेक्ट,
हम बताएंगे क्या सर, जैसे करंटली व्हाट आर यू डूइंग, ऐसा करके क्वेश्चन आता है, आप बताएंगे सर?
हाँ, करंटली में आप इंटर्नशिप कर रहे हो, स्ट्रक्चर्स की इंटर्नशिप कर रहे हो। ठीक है, क्योंकि तुम ही सोचो कि अगर तुम बताते हो कि तुम दुकान पे या फिर कहीं पे भी अपना कुछ काम कर रहे हो, ठीक, अब कोई कंपनी हायर करेगी, उसको ये लगेगा ये बंदा तो फुल टाइम अपने काम को और फोकस करेगा ना।
हाँ,
समझ गए। तो तुम ये बता सकते हो कि हम अभी इंटर्नशिप कर रहे हैं। ठीक है, और उसके अलावा अगर तुमको ऐसा लगता है कि इस जगह पे ऐसा है कि तुम प्रीवियस बता सकते हो कि मैं अभी तक अपना कुछ ऐसा स्टोर खोला हुआ था, लेकिन अभी करंट में ये कर रहा हूँ। ठीक है, तो इस चीज को ध्यान रखोगे तो अच्छा रहेगा। चलो मंडे को सबका 3D देखेंगे।
सर
हाँ,
मुझे एक क्वेश्चन था कि सर जो HR है सर, उनका नंबर सर मेरे व्हाट्सएप पर, तो उन्होंने सर स्टेटस रखा था कि ड्राफ्ट्समैन ओपनिंग करके, तो सर मैंने उस पर बोला कि सर आई एम सुटेबल फॉर दिस जॉब। तो सर वो जो फर्म है सर, वो आर्किटेक्चरल फर्म है, तो सर उसमें मुझे जॉब करनी चाहिए कि नहीं करनी चाहिए, क्योंकि वो आर्किटेक्चरल स्ट्रक्चर नहीं है।
व्हाट पैकेज दे आर ऑफरिंग, पहले तो क्लियर करो। तो देखो, चॉइस तब करना चाहिए जब हमारे पास चॉइस के नंबर्स हो। पहला जो चॉइस है उसको उठाना चाहिए आपको, और उसके बाद उनके पैकेज वगैरह देख के इंटरव्यू को क्रैक करके अपनी कैपेबिलिटी को चेक कर लो। गॉट इट। और उसके बाद जो वो बोलाएंगे, डेफिनेटली जब HR राउंड फाइनल हो जाता है तो बताते हैं कि हमारे यहाँ काम क्या क्या है। तो वो काम घर लेके आओ, फिर पूछ लो कि सर ये काम उन्होंने बताया, ये जो ये यूजफुल रहेगा तभी देखेंगे।
सर उन्होंने बोला
ठीक
कि
है,
सर आपको मतलब कि जो कंपनी में विजिट करना पड़ेगा इंटरव्यू देने के लिए, तो कंपनी सर बेसिकली नागपुर में है।
ओके। तो क्या बोल, अच्छा मतलब इंटरव्यू के लिए आपको
हाँ
नागपुर आना पड़ेगा। ओके,
हाँ
कितना 100
हाँ सर।
किलोमीटर है तुम्हारे यहाँ से ना? ओके। अच्छा, वो जो सुबह सुबह जो तुमने मैसेज
नो
किया था क्या
सर।
मुझे, एक कंपनी कंपनी फेक नहीं होनी चाहिए, इसका ध्यान देना। नागपुर जाने में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। पता चला वहाँ कौन
सर
सी कंपनी है?
कोनर्च आर्किटेक्ट्स को, यस
कुनर्च
सर,
आर्किटेक्ट।
मनीष
तो
नगर।
उन्होंने जब उन्होंने कुछ, ओके, उनसे एक चीज बोल सकते हो कि सर या मैडम जो भी फोन किए तो उनको बोल दो कि आप एक टेलीफोनिक लेके थोड़े से अगर कंफर्मेशन दे देंगे तो मेरे लिए यूजफुल रहेगा, क्योंकि मुझे इतना दूर आना पड़ेगा। सो इफ पॉसिबल काइंडली अरेंज वन टेलीफोनिक इंटरव्यू, और अगर आप उसको मैं क्रैक कर लेता हूँ तो उसके बाद अगर आप मुझे बुलाएंगे इट विल बी हेल्पफुल
यस
फॉर मी। ठीक है, उनको बोलो टेलीफोनिक
यस
करने
सर।
को पहले। चलो ठीक है, बताना जैसा रहेगा, ठीक है,
यस
मुझे
सर।
मैसेज कर देना।
हेलो सर।
ओके।
हाँ सर,
हेलो,
वो
हाँ
द वे ऑफ एप्लीकेशन आपने मेल करने के लिए बोला था, वो थोड़ा चेक करना।
मैं देख रहा था, मैं आप लोग जब बात कर रहे थे, जब मैं आपका इंटरव्यू ले रहा था तो फिर मैं पीछे पीछे आपका यहाँ पर चेक भी कर रहा था बैकग्राउंड में। तो मैंने आपका भी देखा, और क्या बोलते हैं आपके में भी उसमें कुछ
हाँ सर, वही
प्रॉब्लम्स हैं।
पूछना था।
ठीक है, तो मैं उसको मंडे को, हाँ प्रॉब्लम ये है कि एक्चुअली आप लोगों ने अभी कवर लेटर प्रॉपर नहीं
यस
लिखा
सर,
हुआ
जस्ट
है।
फॉर्मेट
तो मैं आपको
बनाया
कवर
है,
लेटर का,
तो वो बराबर है सर, वही
हाँ,
कंफर्म करना
एक्चुअली और चीजें लिखना पड़ेगा कवर लेटर में, मतलब ये बराबर है, इसमें कुछ गलत हमने नहीं लिखा है, बट नीड सम मोर टॉपिक्स, तो उसके बारे में मैं आपको बताने वाला हूँ, इसीलिए मैंने आपसे बोला था
था।
ना
हाँ
कि आप
हाँ।
भेजो। तो अब आपने भेज दिया। अब कुछ लोग के मैंने एप्लीकेशंस देखे, वो लोग सीधे सिर्फ रिज्यूम भेज दिए हुए हैं,
ओके।
ठीक है, और कुछ लोग कवर लेटर को पीडीएफ में भेज दिए हैं, तो ऐसे कुछ प्रॉब्लम है। तो उसको हम लोग मंडे को ऑलरेडी मैं डिस्कस करने वाला हूँ कि देखो यार ये तुमने गलत किया है। तो जब आप इंटरव्यू दे रहे थे तो मैं यहाँ चेक कर रहा था
ओके
बैकग्राउंड
सर।
में।
ओके सर।
ठीक है, मैं डिस्कस करूंगा कैसे करना है, चलेगा। चलो, अभी आपका काम बस ये है कि 3D बना के सभी लोग लेके आओ। मंडे को ऑटोकैड में 3D देखना चाहेंगे कैसा बनाते हो, फिर हम लोग उसके आगे जो भी आपने अप्लाई किया है उसमें क्या गलत है सब कुछ मंडे को डिस्कस करेंगे। चलो, और उसके साथ ही साथ क्या बोलते हैं, आपको स्टेट प्रो का सॉफ्टवेयर शेयर करूंगा। ठीक है, तो वो सॉफ्टवेयर को इंस्टॉल करने की कोशिश करना, एक वीडियो और एक सॉफ्टवेयर दोनों आपको शेयर कर दूंगा कल। चलो ठीक। गुड नाइट एवरीवन, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइन, मजा आया होगा, आप लोग को भी कुछ नया मिला
गुड
होगा।
नाइट सर।
गुड नाइट, गुड नाइट, गुड नाइट।